the best experience with air duct, dry and gym cleaning companies? They simply start running ads. We get inquiries every single day, and out of 10 customers, out of 10 air duct business owners, only one signed up and rest still struggle. Why? Because they think that everyone is scamming out there. See, my friend, it's not about scam, it's not about nothing. It's all about that how your brain works. If you have a loser mindset and if you think that you're not gonna get leads, you're not gonna get appointments, then you are never gonna get appointments, even if you work with Mark Zuckerberg directly. It's all about mindset. I have personally experienced people who think too much, who overthink, who are always negative, get shittiest results ever. Meanwhile, who are always positive and who put in their trust and who wait gets the best results ever. We have our client who have spent more than 150,000 US dollars on just air duct and dry cleaning ads in just the span of 13 months, and they trust us blindly. The reason we are getting them results from day one is why? It's complete natural. People who trust with blind way get the best results. People who are always calling, hey, what's up, hey, I think I want to do it, give me discount, blah blah blah, get shit results ever. And I'm gonna tell you, go to Fiverr, hire someone for $200 and see how they fuck up your money. So if you want to get the best results ever, you know the drill. Link in the bio. Ciao.